How to log into your Canara Bank Gold Loan account. To do so, simply open up a preferred web browser. In the search box, type in canarabank.com and press enter. You'll soon end up in the official web page of Canara Bank. Here, in order to access your gold loan account, you'll first need to log into your online banking account. Go ahead and mouse over to this login tab and this will open up several menus. Click on this Net Banking Canara option and then you'll be taken to this page. Click on this Net Banking Login option and then you'll be redirected to the sign-in page for Canara Net Banking accounts. On the right hand side, you'll need to go ahead and fill in your information. Type in a user ID that is associated with your online banking account and then enter your password. You'll need to go through the CAPTCHA first in order to log into your account. Select between audio CAPTCHA or image CAPTCHA and complete the CAPTCHA by typing in the codes that has been given to you. You can also select your language from the drop-down and finally click the login button. After logging into your Canara Net Banking account, navigate to the Gold Loan section or Account Summary section to view the details and manage your gold loan account. That is how you can easily log in to Canara Bank Gold Loan. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with another tutorial video. Thanks for watching.